Hey guys, I'm here today with a new product review thing. I'm going to be checking out this guy. This is the DJI Osmo Mobile SE. Now, I bought this for the purpose of vlogging, and I'm hoping that this will be fun. Actually, let's look at the back here. So it comes with the Osmo Mobile. It has the DJI OM Magnetic Phone Clamp 3. Grip tripod, power cable, storage pouch, and documentation. So we have the app that you can download. What's in the box? Ooh, there's a little satchel. That's nice. Little satchel. And we have some stickers. Some documentation, some silica gel. It says, quote, "do not eat." I'm not sure what these are here. Anti-slip pads to secure the mobile phone in the phone holder, if required. Neat. Okay, I was a little worried. I was like, uh-oh, that doesn't seem very big. But here's my phone. Phone camera this way. Yeah. Hey, look, that works. And I can put it anywhere because it's not going to interfere with the buttons. That's nice. I can put it right in the middle if I need to. Nice. Heck yeah. We have this little... What's the word I want to use? Tripod? That's the word. And then we have a charging cable. Type-C, of course. And then the Osmo itself. That's cool. If your phone has a quick charge, G charging, I suspect it'll fit right on there. Do I have a phone that will Qi charge? I do somewhere. So here's an old phone that will Qi charge. Oh, I feel it already. Yeah, it's definitely not strong enough to hold it on. Okay. Well, that's fine. I don't mind using a clamp. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do here. Maybe I need to scan this. So this is nice. Okay, so what we want to do is turn it this way, and then we fold this down, and it slides into that slot, and that locks it in place. That's actually really neat. I like that. Not very complicated. Then we can just plop that on, and then turn it on. Whoa, neat, dude. Ages to download. This is a gigabyte. This app is like 1 gig. That's crazy, dude. See, here's the thing. I have a DJI Gimbal for my cameras, like my professional cameras, and I tried slapping my smartphone on it. Did not like that very much. It was trying to overcompensate by a lot, and I calibrated it and I tried to dial it in, and it expected a much higher load, and so it just wasn't compatible. But it was a fun experiment. So a few things. First of all, you guys can't probably see this, but it's like defaulting at a canted angle, and I'm not sure why that is. Now, the app isn't filling me with confidence. It is incredibly jerky, but I can start and stop it with the button, and it seems to be failing to actually track me. I tapped on the thing to track me, and it doesn't seem to be doing a very good job of it. Yeah, we'll see how this looks. I just want my vlogs to be better. Everything's like tilted at the wrong angle too. It's weird. But this isn't the only thing I bought. I also bought this. This is a monopod with a little tripod attachment on the bottom. So you can see we can mount. Oh, that's actually going to be way too big. But there's feet down here that I can lock into place. Cool. We can put this down here. And then in this box, nope, not that one. In this box, I have this. And this will screw on here like that. And then I can connect this to it. Now, my goal here is to have a longer handle on this where I can like run around with my camera like that. And even, you know, if we flip this up, be able to run around like this, set it down, and then if we go like this clips on like that, and a little monopod so that I can run around and film stuff, and this will like collapse down and I can be like this, running around, and then I can just whoop, and then I can set that up, and now I'm shooting, and then I can go back. That's pretty neat. So yeah, that's what I bought. This is for vlogging, and I think this is turning out to be really cool. I'm looking forward to my first vlog with this new setup. I think it's going to be awesome. And the best part about this monopod that I really enjoy this. So you can set that up, and if it's not balanced, you can just kind of, and it'll stay there. But obviously I'm putting my foot on it so it stays balanced. But you know what I'm saying? Like, you can adjust it so it's level. Just put your foot on it if you need to torque it. Boom. Let it settle. Look at that. Dude. And then you're vlogging. So you gotta let it settle first because it's still moving, but I'm really looking forward to using this in my next vlog. If you haven't checked them out, you can check out my vlogs. They're gonna be over up here somewhere. Good morning, guys. I've got a big day ahead of me. I've got some editing to finish up for the Downey's Famous podcast. I have a video I have to make for the channel, and then I'm heading to a remote workers group at the library where I'm just going to get to network and meet new people, and I'm pretty excited about it. I really love meeting folks and being able to network. It's just a lot of fun, you know. Also, here's an example of what the gimbal actually looks like when I'm holding it. It's nice and light, and even with the camera on it, it's very light and usable. Although it seems to want to trend downwards. Yeah. So anyway, I like this gimbal quite a bit. It's nice. It was only like $60.